adult services in Grass Valley, and today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream at home without an ice cream maker. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, so that's 14 ounces in a can. And I'm going to be making coffee ice cream today, so I'm going to be using instant coffee, and you're just going to need 2 tablespoons of that. And to start out, I have 1/4 of a cup of hot water here. I just stuck it in the microwave. And I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of this instant coffee and just put it right into the water. And then that will dissolve and make coffee. We'll just set that off to the side. So now we've got our coffee over there. Next, we're gonna take the heavy whipping cream and we're gonna pour it into either a bowl, or I've got this guy here, just a Tupperware. Gonna pour that in. And for this, you're going to need either a mixer or a whisk. I'm just going to take my whisk and mix this up until it starts to form sort of a stiff peak. All right, here's a closer up of what this should look like. They're not exactly stiff peaks, but I got a huge arm workout in and I'm about done whisking this. So, you know, somewhere in this consistency. Okay, so now that we've got our heavy cream all whipped up, we're gonna take the sweetened condensed milk. Again, I have a can of 14 ounces and that's about perfect. And just open that up and pour it right in. Okay. And now that we've got that in, I'm gonna add the coffee mixture as well. Not really coffee mixture, it's just, it's coffee now. And again, you can add anything. I'm adding instant coffee to make a coffee ice cream, but you can add cocoa powder and make it like a chocolate ice cream. You could add peanut butter and peanuts, you know, chopped peanuts in there to make a peanut butter ice cream. You could add Hershey's syrup and peanut butter, make a peanut butter and chocolate ice cream, that would be good. You can really add anything, your possibilities are endless. And then, so I'm just gonna whisk that all together, make sure it's fully incorporated. It's not gonna be like a stiff peak anymore. We're really just looking to mix everything together. And now that we have this all done, all you have to do now is stick it in the freezer and wait a little while, and your ice cream will be ready to go. So I'm gonna freeze this and then I will check back in when it's all done. All right, we are back. I have the ice cream here. I just took it out of the freezer. It is the day after. You certainly don't have to wait that long. I think probably 3 hours would be good enough. But here we have it. Let me show you up close. It's frozen solid. Looks very, very good. And I'm just gonna scoop some out. Actually, let me show you. I'll give you an up close visual. I can't find my ice cream scoop, so I'm using just a spoon. But as you can see, it's pretty well frozen. Oh my gosh, that's actually kind of hard to do with one hand. This is the easiest way to make ice cream, especially if you don't have an ice cream maker. This is perfect because it's just super simple. You don't need any ice, you don't need any salt, you don't need to have this really noisy, expensive machine. This is just 3 ingredients, and it looks just like ice cream, and it is delicious. Showboom. All right, I hope you all have a happy National Ice Cream Month and that you celebrate with some easy homemade ice cream. Bye.